A restored Trevi Fountain was unveiled on Sunday, December 22nd, after more than 2 months of cleaning and restoration, part of Rome's preparations for the 2025 Roman Catholic Holy Year. The work included removing dirt, pollution, iron oxide, and limescale from the 18th century monument, one of the best known of Rome's many tourist attractions. During that time, the fountain had been drained, but visitors were able to view it from a temporary footbridge. I am very happy and excited. I am very happy to come here again and to see the opening. It's priceless. We had seen certain opinions from people saying things like, it's closed, Rome isn't that great right now, the fountain is closed. But we arrived here and it was a pleasant surprise that we coincided with the inauguration today. It's a wonderful feeling to see the fountain in this condition again. Before, with the structures, it wasn't a pleasant sight. Now we can enjoy it as much as possible.
Amazing. I will come back with my husband in 2 weeks. I'm coming back.
The Vatican expects up to 32 million tourists will descend on the Italian capital for the Jubilee, putting Rome's antiquated infrastructure under enormous strain and adding to the headaches of managing the flow of visitors. Completed in 1762, the fountain is a late Baroque masterpiece with statues of Tritons guiding the shell chariot of the god Oceanus, illustrating the theme of the taming of the waters. Tradition dictates that visitors toss a coin into the fountain to guarantee their return to Rome. During the works, visitors had to throw coins into a temporary pool. It is also remembered for one of cinema's most famous scenes, when in Federico Fellini's La Dolce Vita, Anita Ekberg wades into the fountain and beckons her co-star Marcello Mastroianni to join her. Marcello, come here.